To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your Slingshot, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Vehicles with auto drive leave in neutral. Vehicles with manual transmission leave in gear. Then set the parking brake. Then allow the engine to cool completely. Now open the hood. Next, unplug the coil connectors from the ignition coils. After this, remove the ignition coil bolts. Now, remove the ignition coils. Before removing the spark plugs, use compressed air to remove any loose dirt or debris from the spark plug wells. Continue by removing the spark plugs. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup. A good spark plug will have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion of the electrodes. Do not attempt to adjust the spark plug gap. Then, reinstall the spark plugs or install new plugs. Next, torque the spark plugs to specification. Now, reinstall the ignition coils. Tip: apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the boots before installing. Then, reinstall the ignition coil bolts and torque to specification. After this, connect the spark plug wires to the ignition coils. Finally, start the engine and ensure there are no warning lights present. For more information, see your authorized Slingshot dealer or visit slingshot.polaris.com.